In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your newsfeed in Seeking Alpha. By the end, you'll have a feed that highlights the companies and voices you care about most without digging through unrelated content. We'll keep it simple and practical so you can follow along right away. First, let's tailor your feed by following stocks. Open Seeking Alpha and use the search bar at the top. Type either the company's name or its ticker symbol, then select the correct listing from the results. On the stocks page, look for the follow button and click it. From this point on, your newsfeed will automatically include articles, breaking news, earnings updates, and in-depth analysis related to that company. If you follow more than one stock, Seeking Alpha blends updates from all of them into a single continuous feed, so you can monitor everything in one place. If you ever follow a company by mistake or want to tidy things up, you can return to its page and toggle Follow Off just as easily. For best results, follow the core companies you truly want to track, then add or remove symbols over time to keep your feed focused and manageable. Next, refine your feed by following authors or contributors whose insights you trust. Start by opening an article that resonates with you. Near the author's name, you'll see a Follow Author option. Click that. From then on, any new piece they publish will appear in your feed as soon as it goes live, alongside the stock updates you already follow. This is a powerful way to build a feed that not only captures the companies you're watching, but also elevates the specific voices and analysis styles you value. If you'd like to double-check a writer's approach, click through to their profile to review previous articles before following. And remember, you can follow multiple authors to get a balanced mix of perspectives. If your feed ever feels too busy, simply unfollow authors you're no longer reading regularly. Your feed will adjust immediately. That's it. By following stocks and following authors, you're effectively training Seeking Alpha to surface what matters most to you. Start with a handful of companies and a few trusted contributors, then fine-tune over time. With these two actions, your newsfeed becomes a personalized stream of timely updates and expert insights, all in one place. Now go ahead, make those follows, and enjoy a smarter, more relevant Seeking Alpha experience.